Recently, it was found that incorrectly calibrated and faulty DUI breath testing machines could affect thousands of DUI cases in Philadelphia. I was recently interviewed about the DUI breath test problem in Philadelphia by the Philadelphia Inquirer at Philly.com. You see, the problem is pretty dramatic. As a Pennsylvania DUI attorney and breath testing/attorney expert, I have found that the Philadelphia issue is not an isolated incident. It is evidence and symptomatic of a culture of ignorance, carelessness, and lack of oversight. For example, there was a period of time where a police department in Lancaster was using a simulator solution that was beyond its expiration date, affecting all tests given for greater than a 6-month period of time last year. We have found individual issues with acceptance criteria and calibration of tests in other counties as well. The problem is truly systematic. This is not hyperbole. It seems and it stems from the fact that Pennsylvania is the least regulated state in terms of the verification of BAC and BRAC data in the country. The data is not readily available for inspection by anyone. Sometimes it takes a defense lawyer to go into court and to get a court order after a hearing. Sometimes it's ordered to be turned over, sometimes it's not. But that is the sad state of affairs. If you're going to do good quality and valid testing, then why hide the data? Why not show it off? Why not be proud of it if everything is going right? Other states are more enlightened than Pennsylvania. They put their data online so everyone can see and everyone can double check. For example, there's Florida, Ohio, Washington State, and others. These are models. But access to the data and the lack of oversight is just the tip of the iceberg of the problem here in Pennsylvania. Here in Pennsylvania, there's no central purchasing of breath testing equipment. Each jurisdiction and each police department and each and every police officer can decide what type of breath testing device to use. There is no central system to verify that the machines after purchase actually work as assigned before being deployed out in the field. There's no regular method of preventive maintenance. Routine maintenance is not performed, and there's no regulation or authority to take careless departments to task. Officers are left to regulate and calibrate the machines on their own without the proper amount of true scientific training that's needed in order to understand what they're doing and the importance of it. There's no formal instruction in correlation coefficients or other basic issues of metrology. This problem is not unique to one department or one machine. I've seen faulty machines in police departments all across Pennsylvania, and so has my colleagues. This is one of the reasons that every one of the DUI attorneys in the McShane firm is a certified expert having received United States Department of Transportation approved training in breath testing and has the experience to cross-examine and challenge the results of faulty machines. If you have any questions on breath testing or DUI in Pennsylvania in general, please feel free to call us at 1-866-McShane to speak with one of the qualified Pennsylvania DUI lawyers in our firm.